Good, huh? Are you eating an apple? Half of an apple. Actually, I think you're making applesauce with it. Juicing it. Just juicing it, huh? Monkey likes to juice apple. I don't know why, but you do. What you doing, huh? I know the kids are playing in the pool and you're watching them, huh? Spending wild monkey time. Oops. Sorry about that. Wild monkey time. Kids are skimming the pool. You probably say, bring the bugs this way. I wouldn't mind a snack of a bug too. Snack of a bug would be good. Yep. Having fun, huh? Yes. You say well done, sis. Why you at a pool? And I'm eating my apple. He thinks it tastes mighty good. Little boy, huh? Yeah. Not too bad, huh? Yeah. Organic, all natural apple. When you get done eating that, are you going to run around and play in a big pen? This is Davie's outside pen. Out here, he gets to be just a monkey. Run around naked. Make a mess. Have fun. Tear things up. Just be a monkey, huh? Yeah. He's all natural. 100% monkey. He gets outside cage time every day. Unless the weather's bad, like cold or something. But it's rarely cold here since it's Florida. So usually every day he gets to come outside. Only a few days out of the year is it like below 60s. So he always out here in the afternoon or evening to play for a while. A few hours a day outside. Pool's behind me, so he gets to watch the kids play in the pool and have a good time. Yes. Oh, what'd you see? Did you see a big bird, huh? Did you see a big bird? Did that big bird scare you? It's okay. You don't like big birds. There's a couple of big like hawks that live here, and there's also a couple owls, and they really scare him. He gets all upset when he sees them fly over. I don't know why. I mean, I guess why is because they're predators in the wild, but he definitely doesn't like them. They upset him big time. This is a pomegranate bush growing next to him, and he loves to eat the pomegranate leaves and the twigs and the flowers, and I'll probably never get pomegranates. On top of his cage are big kiwi vines. He likes to play with those too.